Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So today I'm going to be showing you how to make this amazing roasted kimchi chicken. This one is to die for. It tastes so good and yet it is easy to make. So if you really want to learn how to make this roasted kimchi chicken, then just keep watching. And while you're watching, guys, don't forget to like this video, leave comments in the comment section down below, and subscribe to my channel. So you'll need to have some baby potatoes, mushrooms, and cherry tomatoes. And I'll be hitting this with some olive oil, seasoned with some salt, pepper, some paprika. I'm also gonna throw in some rosemary in there and some thyme and also some minced garlic. So now I'm gonna give this a really good mix and set this aside and move on to dealing with my chicken. So today I'm using a Cornish hen because that's what I had at hand, but any kind of chicken would do. But I love the Cornish hen because it cooks really fast and it has an amazing flavor. So I'll also need to have some melted butter, softened butter, and a dish to mix up my spices. So the star of today's dish is this amazing kimchi seasoning. I'm going to leave a link in the description box for you to grab one of these. Guys, I'm telling you, it tastes so good. It is amazing, unbelievable flavors. So once I have my kimchi spice in there, I'm going to go ahead and add some salt, some black pepper, some rosemary, thyme, paprika, and some dry dill. I'm going to give that a really good mix. After that, I'll take about a tablespoon of that and add to my butter. So once I have my spices mixed up with my butter, I'm going to add that seasoned butter underneath the skin of my chicken. So this is going to really season the meat as it cooks, and it's going to also help the chicken breast not to dry out. If you've ever roasted chicken, you know the breast tends to dry out and be tasteless, but when you do this, it really helps and it makes a difference. Okay, don't skip this step. So now I'm going to move on to basting my chicken with the melted butter. So this melted butter is going to add amazing flavor and amazing color to my chicken, but it's also going to help my seasoning stick to the chicken. So once I've done that, I make sure to flip my chicken over and season the bottom part because, you know, I like to make sure every part of my meat is properly seasoned. Okay, you have to do it. You don't want the top part to taste so good and then the bottom part to be bland. Nobody wants that. Okay, so once I have my chicken looking and seasoned the way that I like it, I am going to move ahead with assembling the baking dish. So I started off by oiling my baking dish, and then I added my chicken into it, and to the corners I added my potatoes, tomatoes, and mushrooms. I made sure not to crowd my dish because I did not want things to get steamed but to really get roasted. Okay, so do not be tempted to overcrowd it. So now I'm placing my chicken in the oven at 375 degrees for 20 to 25 minutes, and this is what it looks like in the end. Amazing. Are you gonna tell me you cannot perceive the aroma from your house? No, I don't think so. So I made sure to garnish with some parsley just to make things look pretty, and I jumped right in. Guys, the flavor of that kimchi is everything. It is everything. That's the money maker. That kimchi seasoning, it is the money maker. You need to try it. I'm going to leave a link in the description box below if you want to grab one for yourself. Anyway, thank you so much, guys. Thank you for watching. If this is your first time, do not forget to subscribe to my channel and like this video, guys. Share this video with your friends and your family and leave comments in the comment section down below. I love you all. See you guys in the next video.